Tile floors can quickly go from clean enough to still dirty. Dust, spills, and grime get stuck in the grout, and regular mopping doesn't always do the trick. And scrubbing on your hands and knees isn't a great option either. That's why having the right tile cleaner machine makes a big difference. But with so many in the market, it can be tough to find the best one. That's why I did the research for you and found the 7 best tile cleaner machines that will leave your floors truly spotless. Whether you're tackling kitchen floors, bathroom tiles, or large living spaces, there's an option here for every home and cleaning need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these tile cleaner machines aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. This is the most budget-friendly tile cleaner machine on our list. If you want a simple way to get your floors spotless without using harsh chemicals, this one's made for you. This mop uses steam to sanitize. It kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria on sealed hard floors, and it's safe around kids and pets. You can adjust the steam levels for different floors, from high for tough messes on tile to low for delicate hardwoods. And for sticky spots or dried-on grime, there's a flip-down easy scrubber. It reaches grout and crevices and scrubs away messes that regular mops can't touch. Plus, it comes with Spring Breeze fragrance discs you can add to leave your home smelling fresh while you clean. It's really easy to move around too. It has a swivel steering that lets you glide under tables and chairs. And the 23-foot cord gives you plenty of reach without switching outlets. The mop heats up in just 30 seconds, so you can get started almost instantly. Plus, cleaning the pads is simple. Just hand wash or machine wash them and hang them to dry. So if you're looking for a tile cleaner that sanitizes your floors and doesn't cost a fortune, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is your go-to option. Number 6 is the Narwhal S20 Pro. This is the best robot mop and tile cleaner combo on our list. If you're juggling kids, pets, or just a busy home, this machine is designed to make life way easier. It has 20,000 pascals of suction power, and it can pick up everything from dust to stubborn spills in one pass. The dual rotation brushes work like a tiny washing machine on your floor. They scrub the edges and corners thoroughly and stay tangle-free, even with long hair or pet fur. Plus, it cleans itself too. After a session, just hit the self-clean button and it washes and dries the brushes. It keeps them fluffy, fresh, and ready for the next mess. There's also AI Dirt Sense tech that adjusts the power based on how dirty the floor is. So it's smart about energy and cleaning. And the S20 Pro also glides effortlessly due to self-propelling wheels. And the 180 degrees flat reach lets it slip under furniture easily. Also, it's lightweight, quiet at 43 decibels, and comes with a simple LCD screen with voice guidance, so anyone in the house can operate it. It even dispenses cleaning solution automatically, so refills are less frequent. Now, it runs up to 60 minutes in quiet mode, enough to cover a full home in one go. So if you want a robot mop and vacuum combo that handles tough messes, the Narwhal S20 Pro is the one that really delivers. Number 5 is the Mova X4 Pro. This is the most compact tile cleaner machine on our list. It's cordless, weighs about 8 pounds, and can lie flat at 180 degrees. It can get under furniture and along walls like a champ. The front roller heats water up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit and gives you a hot water spray to tackle tough stains. The brush self-cleans and dries too, and keeps itself fluffier, odor-free, and ready for the next round. The suction is strong with 20,000 pascals, and the built-in scraper keeps hair and debris from tangling. That makes it ideal for homes with pets or long-haired family members. The LED-lit brush head helps you see hidden dirt in low-light areas, so no corner or baseboard is left behind. Now, the operation is simple too. Just push it into the docking station for charging, and the machine handles the rest. The battery lasts up to 45 minutes, which is enough for a thorough cleaning session in medium to large homes. You can choose between hot water mode, suction mode, or a smart cleaning mode depending on your floor's needs. So if you want a compact cleaner that takes care of your floors, the Mova X4 Pro is the one that really delivers. Number 4 is the EveryBot Edge 2 Hyper Performance Floor. This is the best robotic tile cleaner on our list. It's fully robotic, ultra slim at 3.5 inches, and designed to slide under couches, beds, and tables without getting stuck. Instead of wheels, it has spinning mop discs that scrub and clean with the weight of the machine and friction. So even corners and edges get attention. The Edge 2 runs quietly at only 42 decibels, so it won't interrupt conversations, shows, or nap time. And it moves fast too, at about 30 centimeters per second, which makes cleaning a lot less of a time suck. You're also going to have a smart water system with a 210 milliliter tank, and you can adjust the water flow in 4 levels using the included remote. That way, hardwood, tile, and other safe for water floors all get exactly the right amount of moisture. And setup is straightforward. It comes almost fully assembled out of the box. Pop on the microfiber pads with Velcro, fill the tank, and you're ready to go. After cleaning, the pads are easy to rinse and reuse. It even has edge detection tech, so it won't tumble down stairs or bump into furniture. So if you want a hands-off robotic cleaner that reaches edges and corners, the Edge 2 is the one that makes robotic mopping genuinely practical. And if you want to know the latest prices for the tile cleaner machines discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Robotic Commercial Orbiter Cleaner. This is the best tile cleaner machine for professional use on our list. Now, this is the tool you bring out when floors are really beat up and need serious work. It's a commercial-grade cleaner. It can handle way more than just tile. You can scrub tile and grout, clean concrete, polish hardwood, and even deep clean carpets. The best part of this machine is the random orbital drive. Instead of spinning in one harsh circle, the brush moves in a random pattern. It helps glide smoothly and avoids swirl marks, scratches, or gouges. It also makes it easier to control, even though this thing has real weight behind it. It has a wide cleaning path, so you cover more floor with each pass. Plus, it comes with a long 50-foot power cord. That means fewer outlet changes, which matters a lot if you're cleaning large rooms or commercial spaces. It's also great for tight areas like bathrooms, under sinks, and narrow kitchen spots where regular machines struggle. Also, it's very flexible. You can sand, strip, old finish, scrub, grime, wax, buff, and polish, all with the right pads. It can even dry clean carpets without leaving behind sticky residue that attracts dirt later. Check out what Lindsay wrote. 100% worth the price. The cleaning power and durability are spectacular. It's not super heavy like I originally thought, and it came fully assembled. Perfect size to carry around the house or shop and works great. Highly recommend. So if you need a professional level floor machine that can handle almost any surface and last for years, the Robotic Commercial Orbiter Cleaner is the one built for that. Number 2 is the Tyneco Floor 1S9 Artist Steam. This is the best Splurge tile cleaner machine on our list. If you're done messing around with basic mops and you want the most advanced thing you can roll across your floors, then this is it. It's a wet-dry vacuum and mop in one. It vacuums dirt and washes the floor at the same time without back and forth movement. The best part here is the steam. It uses a high-temp steam system that heats up to break down dried grease and stuck-on messes. It can also sanitize without needing heavy chemicals. You do have to wait about a minute for the steam to heat up, but after that, it's smooth sailing. It has strong suction, around 22,000 pascals, and a long runtime of up to 75 minutes, which is wild for a cordless machine with steam. It also lies almost completely flat, so sliding under beds and couches isn't a problem. And with Smooth Drive Self-Propel, you don't have to push hard because it pulls itself along. Hair is handled really well too, thanks to an anti-tangle system that keeps it from wrapping around the roller. And when you're done, you dock it, hit a button, and it cleans and dries itself with hot water and hot air. So if you want the most powerful feature-packed tile cleaner out there and you're okay paying extra, the Tyneco Floor 1S9 Artist Steam is the splurge pick that delivers. Number 1 is the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Spin Mop. This is the best overall tile cleaner machine on our list. If you hate dragging out a mop and bucket late at night when the floor is already sticky, then this is for you. It's fully cordless, so you're not fighting a cable and you get about 20 minutes of runtime, which is plenty to knock out kitchens, bathrooms, or a few rooms in one go. It has dual spinning pads that do the work for you. You're not scrubbing hard or putting your weight into it, you just guide it and it glides along on its own. It's safe for sealed hard floors like tile, wood, vinyl, and linoleum. It's powerful enough to break down dried spills and pet messes. There's an on-demand spray button right on the handle. So when you see a stubborn spot, just tap it and add more cleaning solution exactly where you need it. And you don't need to over-soak the floor. It also lies almost flat, which makes it easy to get under beds, couches, and tight furniture. In the box, you get 4 washable mop pads and 2 trowel-size Bizzle cleaning solutions. These are enough for about 4 full cleaning sessions before you need refills. When you're done, the pads go straight into the washing machine. Diana puts it as, "This cleaner is excellent, I highly recommend it." It's great for keeping your house clean, especially after cooking and when your kitchen is filthy. It's clean in just 3 minutes. It's very high quality, I've had it for 3 years and it has never let me down, even with daily use. So if you want a tile cleaner that's cordless and does the scrubbing for you, the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Spin Mop is the one that makes the most sense overall. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect tile cleaner machine. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each tile cleaner machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.